Essay libraries with quotations. A library can be defined as a collection of printed and non-printed materials organized and kept for reading, studying, and I have always imagined that paradise will be a kind of a library. Libraries are important cornerstones of a healthy community. Libraries give people the opportunity to find jobs, explore medical research, experience new ideas, get lost in wonderful stories, while same time providing a sense of place for gathering. Libraries play a very healthy role throughout our life. Libraries provide the students very healthy environment for learning as well as making notes or completing an assignment. Library provides a very calm and disciplined atmosphere which helps students to maintain a good concentration on their studies. Libraries provide another space for children to learn. They can help students navigate the internet, offer a quiet area for students to study, and encourage students to read. The staff, knowing what book a student enjoys, can help them choose books that are similar to their interests. Libraries help the students to develop good reading and study habits. Public officials use libraries for research and public issues. The libraries provide information and services that are essential for learning and progress. When I doubt, go to the library. There are four major types of libraries. Academic libraries serve colleges and universities. Public libraries serve cities and towns of all types. School libraries serve students from kindergarten to grade 12. Special libraries are in specialized environments such as hospitals, corporations, museums, the military private business, and the government. Without libraries, what we have? We have no past and no future. To conclude, we can say that libraries obviously play an important role in creating a genuine love of books and interest in current affairs. Libraries promote a spirit of discipline, research, inquiry, and fellowship. Libraries with a variety of attractive titles have a healthy and beneficial effect on the eager minds of students. Bad libraries build collections. Good libraries build services. Great libraries build communities. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.